Greetings, Doctor. My name is Sivajodi Harigaran, metric number CE 2037 from Group 8. For project 2, we did renewable energy, which is solar energy. So, here we're gonna see the type background, which is solar system is a technology that converts sunlight into electrical energy, either to photovoltaic PV panel or through mirrors that concentrate solar radiation. This energy can be used to generate electricity or be stored in batteries or thermal storage. So there are a lot of type of solar system in Malaysia, which are grid connection solar with energy storage, upgrades residential solar panel system, and DC solar system. And solar system can be converted into electricity to power anything like camper vans, suburban homes, shops, industrial process. And then solar energy is a radiation from the sun which is capable of producing heat, causing chemical reaction, or generating electricity. Solar energy such as photovoltaic solar is widely used around the world by process of capturing the energy from the sun, which is the light, and converting it directly into electricity. So these are the type of solar energy which are passive solar gain, solar thermal, concentrated solar power, and photovoltaic solar, which is can use energy directly for hot water, lighting, heating, and cooling. So next is construction. So this is how the solar power construction will be like. So the construction diagram of solar cell shows an anti-reflective cover glass in the part of layer above it. So which we use N-type silicon, P-type silicon, and anti-reflecting coating, light energy, nickel plating, and road. So the construction is to protect from harm by this glass cover. Small grid patterns with minor metal stripes beneath the glass may be found in this cell. Glass metallic strip and an anti-reflective finish can be used to create the top layer of the cell. The most important part of the solar cell is space between each, which can be formed by the effect photovoltaic in space. It consists of two semiconductor layers with P-type and N-type material. The base layer of the cell consists two parts. The rear metallic electrode is at the bottom of P-type semiconductor and works with a metallic grid that generates an electric current at Pinker level. The reflective layer is the last layer used to reduce the loss of light inside the system. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Hello and good evening to my friends and doctor. My name is Jason Murali and my metric number is CE200105. So now let's look at the operation of solar system. First is photovoltaic cell absorbs the sun energy and converts it to the DC electricity. The solar inverter converts DC electricity from your solar modules to AC electricity, which is then used in most home appliances. Electricity flows through your home, powering electronic devices, and excess electricity produced by solar is fed to the electric grid. Next, let's look at the advantage of solar energy. So first is solar energy is a renewable energy source. Secondly, it reduces electricity bills. Third, it diverts diverse applications. Fourth is low maintenance costs, and the last one is technology development. Let's look at the disadvantage of solar energy. First is the cost because it's very expensive. Next is the weather dependent because solar only works during the under the hot sun. Third is the solar energy storage is expensive. Fourth uses a lot of space, and the final one is associated with pollution. Next, look at the characteristics. First, solar energy is 100% eco-friendly. Solar energy does not require fuel after the solar technology equipment is built and installed. Solar energy has potential to lessen our environmental footprint significantly. With the help of solar energy, we can use electricity and produce heat. It also doesn't produce any greenhouse emission or hazardous material. As a conclusion for the solar system, Malaysia is one of the developing countries and the energy crisis is the main problem for development. Energy problem is thought to be a major hindrance to economic progress, and solar energy could be the best solution for the current scenario. The outlooks provide a suitable foundation for recognizing advantage and disadvantage in its current energy usage and further implementation in Malaysia. Malaysia has a great potential to move away from fossil based generation and towards renewable energy. That's all. Thank you.